Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark web monitoring in Google One. Dark web monitoring in Google One helps you check if your personal information like email, phone number, or password has been exposed in data breaches. And once enabled, Google scans hidden parts of the internet and alerts you your data is found along with safety recommendation. First, in order to enable it, open any of the web browser. In the top there's an address bar, type down google.one and enter it and make sure to log in with your account. Over here in the top right corner, we can find there's a profile icon here. Click onto this and you need to click onto this manage your Google account here. Once you get into this interface, what you can do is you can simply go to this data and privacy here, and under this data and privacy you'll find to this web and app activity. Click onto this web and app activity here, and this is your dark web monitoring on you. And over here what you can do is you can click onto this turn it off and select to this turn back on, and that is it. This is how I can enable dark web monitoring in Google One, and once turned on it works quietly in the background to protect your digital identity and alerts you of risk. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.